Thanks.
We got a bunch more in there now.
Why don't you kind of pour some of it out and get put there?
We got it. How about that? Cut there. Now. Up in there.
No, we ain't.
Hang on, keep looking.
Yeah, she made Aunt Harriet open a banana and then had like one tiny bite of it.
Look at there.
All right, keep going. Keep going.
There's some more.
Look at her lips in this one, Lisa. I know. Oh.
Fruit
There's some fruit
Wait,
cups.
don't open it yet. Just keep going.
Keep going. See what else is in there.
Look and see what's in there.
There's some more in there.
Look in
Kenley,
the,
what's in your bag?
look in the bag.
There's some more.
There's more.
Pour it out, baby.
Oh,
Look at there.
Alright, what else is in there?
Kenley, can you say trick or treat?
Treat.
Are you recording?
Look at there. There's some more Reese cups, some more fruit snacks.
Woohoo!
That's
What else is in there?
Babe.
Cookies? Look up there. You just hit the jackpot at this house, didn't you?
and that's not all.
I know. Well, she had a little bucket, but when we our first stop at his parents' house, it got full. So.
Look at there. Oh, it fell over.
What?
You should have outdo it.
I'm so, well, that was Mama and
Turn
us.
that back on. Cupcake.
Cupcake fell over.
Yum, Ken.
All right, here we go.
Look at her. She said,
She rubbed her stomach. She went,
Look, baby. There's some.
Now wait a minute. There's more. There's
more?
more. Look what look at Uncle Austin.
Well, you gotta finish your
Look at there. There's some goldfish.
All right.
Kenley, look.
Come look.
Look what Uncle Austin got.
And Aunt
And
Lindsay.
Aunt Lindsay. Candy corn.
Look at it.
You get everything, did you? Did she get everything out of ours?
Keys. Open, let her open. Well, I mean, over
Look,
here.
look over there. Look. Put on Uncle Austin. Look what Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Austin got you. Come on.
Look. Come here and look.
wait. Move these cups.
Cookies.
Yum.
Yum.
Look at her tongue in this one too. Look.
Really?
Take a bite of that.
Oh.
She don't know what to
Ghost.
Oh, how darling.
It's a ghost.
Give her a bite, but it's a little.
Emily, look.
Gosh, you got some people that love you. That's thought Luke was about to take a bite of.
Eat the cookie.
Take a bite. Yeah,
There you go.
I was moving everything, trying to.
Ken, let me see. Show me your icing. Ken, show me your icing.
Yeah.
Kenley, look, hold your broom
Hold your broom.
so we can get it. Say, yee. Kenley, say, I'll get you, my pretty.
You're adorable.
Whoa.
It's all right. That thing was down. It's too. Don't fit her. Tell everybody thank you. Hey, Granny.
You are welcome.
You say happy Halloween.
How are you?
Unfortunately.
Open, please. You want to eat some? You want to eat some
Pizza.
pizza first?
When he walked down to Domino's with it, she was sitting in her car seat. She saw him. She said, "Wow, pizza."
She tickled me. Did you see when she saw that cupcake? She rubbed her stomach. She went,
She did.
Alright, we're putting all your stuff in your bag, okay? You can take the bag. You can take that bag home,
Luke
okay?
brought the broom out to her. He said, "Snowy pizza." He said, "Ride the broom, baby." And she just started squeaking with it. She put that over there.
All right, bless you. Let's put it with your cookie, okay? Right here, okay? You'll take that home with you, okay? Let's go with the pizza.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.